Hello students, in last class we discussed about the simple equation, application of simple equations. In that applications of simple equations we discussed about the number related questions we discussed. Now I am going to discuss same applications of simple equations based on numbers completed. Now age related problems I am going to discuss here. Okay, first starting we learned how to solve the simple equations we learned. After that we are discussing about the applications of simple equations, applications of simple equations. Applications of simple equations. In these applications of simple equations, based on numbers we completed topic previous videos. Now I am going to discuss about the age related problems. Age related problems I am going to discuss here. Means relations between the ages, father age, son age, mother age, daughter's age, and two friends age. Comparison between them, between their two members ages relation. Comparison they will give. Now we will make one standard form and we solve the problems. Okay, age related problems. In that first question, Kiran is 24 years older than Rakesh. First question is Kiran is 24 years older than. Older than means we have to add. Younger than means subtract. Older than Rakesh. 10 years back. 10 years ago or back. Both are meaning same only. 10 years ago or 10 years back. 10 years ago means before 10 years. 10 years ago, Kiran's age was 5 times the age of Rakesh. The age of Rakesh. Find their present ages. Find their present age. Here little bit careful on this type of question. They may ask finally find their 5 years ago age, find their 5 years after age, find their 10 years ago age. Like that they may ask. Be careful while reading the question. Last they may change the values. They may ask the question different answer. They don't ask as per the given standard question. No. In what way they started, in that way they may not ask. 10 years after, 10 years before, like that they may ask. Okay. Kiran is 24 years older than Rakesh. Means, are they mentioned this is 10 years ago or 10 years after? No. So, this is the present relation. This is their present relation. Present age only. Present age relation only it is. This is their present age relation only it is. Not 10 years ago or 10 years ago or 10 years after. So Kiran is 24 years older than Rakesh means Kiran is depending on Rakesh. Kiran is depending on Rakesh age. Kiran's age is depending on Rakesh age. Means here who is independent? Rakesh age is independent. Here who is independent? Rakesh age is independent. Let us assume that Rakesh present age is equal to x years. Let us assume that Rakesh present age is equal to x years. Now Kiran present age is equal to Kiran is 24 years older than Rakesh means Rakesh age 24. To Rakesh age, if you add 24, you will get the Kiran's age. You will get the Kiran's age. Understood? Kiran is 24 years older than means you have to add, younger than means subtract. Kiran is 24 years older than Rakesh means Rakesh is X, then Kiran will be X plus 24. Years ago means before 10 years. 10 years ago, Rakesh age is equal to present is suppose my age suppose some X age is 20 years. 10 years ago, what will be his what was his age? 10 20 minus 10. Okay, suppose your age is 12 years. 10 years ago, what was your age? 12 minus 10. Ago means before. 10 years after means 12 plus 10, like that. Okay, 10 years ago, Rakesh age is equal to what is present age? X minus 10 years. 10 years ago, Kiran's age is, because they given relation 10 years ago relation. Kiran's age is equal to what is present age? X plus 24 minus 10. That is equal to X plus 14 years. Kiran's age was X plus 14 years. Now, according to problem, this is a 10 years ago as per the steps, as per the given information I got. As per my information I obtained 10 years ago, this was the Rakesh age, this was the Kiran's age. But as per the question, according to problem, 10 years ago Kiran's age was, what is Kiran's age? X plus 14. 10 years ago, actually as per my information, 5 times the age of Rakesh. 5 times of the Rakesh means 10 years ago Rakesh age whatever is there, to that 5 times if you multiply, that will give the 10 years ago Kiran's age. 5 into X minus 10. 10 years ago Kiran's age was, this was 5 times of Rakesh. 5 times of X minus 10. Now X plus 14 is equal to 5X minus 50. Now transpose is 1. X minus 5X is equal to minus 50 minus 14. Now minus 4X is equal to minus 64. Minus minus cancel. 4 1 does, 4 16 does. X is equal to 68. This is not your final answer. You need to substitute here percentages. Present Rakesh age is equal to what is Rakesh present age? X means 16 years. Present Kiran's age is X plus 24 means 16 plus 24 is equal to 40 years. Please write down. Once again, I will revise this one. This is Rakesh present age is 16 plus 24 is equal to 40 years. It is not visible, sir. Please listen my voice. According to audio, correct, write that one. Okay. This is one question, one type age related question. Now next question. Here present Rakesh is equal to x years, present Kiran's age is equal to x plus 24 years. 10 years ago Rakesh is x minus 10, 10 years ago Kiran's age was x plus 24 minus 10 x plus 14. Last part of the question, this age is Kiran's age is 5 times of the Rakesh age. 10 years ago relation that is. So 5x minus 10 50, x minus 5x is equal to minus 50 minus 14 minus 64 minus nothing 4 16 does x is equal to 16. Present Rakesh is equal to 16 years. Present Kiran's is equal to 16 plus 24 40 years. Next question. The age of Ravi and Hema are in the ratio of 5:7. The ages of Ravi and Hema are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years later. 4 years later. Later means after 4 years. Their ages will be in the ratio of 3:4. In the ratio of 3:4. Find their ages, present ages. Find their present ages here. See. The ages of Ravi and Hema are in the ratio of 5:7. Are they mentioned any of these 5 years ago or 5 years after present day, or they did not mention anything here? The ages of Ravi and Hema are in the ratio 5:7. In the ratio 5:7 means when they don't mention 10 years ago or after 5 years ago like this, next step is then no here 4 years later, like that they did not mention here. Means the first statement is a present. They are discussing, they are talking about the present ages. Okay, they are talking about the present ages. Okay, the ratio of the present ages of the ratios. The ages of Ravi and Hema are ratio of Ravi and Hema's ages present ages ratio of Ravi and Hema is equal to 5:7. 5:7. Ratio is nothing but a simplest form. That means after that we don't get any cancellation or any simplification. Means while you are converting the ratio into number, you need to multiply with a constant value, any constant variable. Any variable we have to multiply, because ratio is nothing but suppose 4:6 means this is not ratio, not final answer. 4:6, 4/6 is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Means 2/3. This can be 2:3. This is the simplest form. If you want this original one, means you need to multiply here with 2. Then only you get. Means here what is the common factor is that with that will cancel it. So whatever the cancelled common factor, that we are going to multiply. is equal to 5:7. Let us suppose these are the ratios. Now I am going to convert. Let present Ravi's age is equal to Ravi's present age is equal to Ravi's present age is equal to 5x. Ratio I am converting into value. Hema's present age is equal to 7x. Okay. 4 years later, their ages I am writing. As per my information I am writing. 4 years later, Ravi's age is equal to 5x plus 4. 4 years later means after. Hema's present age is equal to Hema's age 7x plus 4. 4 years later Ravi's age is 5x plus 4. 4 years later Hema's age is equal to 7x plus 4. Now this is as per my calculation. As per their calculation, the ratio they given. Okay. Now according to problem, ratio of these two, 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3:4. Means ratios only, 5x plus 4 is to 7x plus 4 is equal to 3:4. Write in fraction form. 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. 3/4. Cross multiply here. What will you get here? 3 into 7x plus 4 is equal to 4 into 5x plus 4. 3 into 7x plus 4, 4 into 5x plus 4. 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. Is equal to 5 4s are 20x plus 4 4s are 16. Now transpose is 1. 21x minus 20x is equal to 16 minus 12. Now x is equal to 4. This is only x it is. This is only x. Now what you have to find out here? Ages we have to find out. Ravi's present age is equal to 5x. 5 into 4 is equal to 20 years. And Hema's present age is equal to 7x. 7 into 4 is equal to 28 years. Please write down. See here, the ages of Ravi and Hema are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years later, their ages will be in the ratio of 3:4. Find their ages. Means this they did not mention ago or after years. Means percentage only. That is nothing but a present ratios. Present ages ratio of Ravi and Hema are 5:7. Let us assume that ratios I am converting into values. While you are converting the ratios into values, you need to multiply the variable, a constant value, that is constant variable x I suppose. So Ravi's age present is equal to 5x. Conversion. Hema's present is equal to 7x. Now 4 years later, Ravi's age is, because 4 years relation they given. So 4 years after, Ravi's age will be 5x plus 4. And Hema's age will be 7x plus 4. Now according to problem, the ratio of these two is equal to 3:4. Now 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Cross multiply 3 into 7x plus 4, 4 into 5x plus 4. 3 7 are 21x plus 12 is equal to 5 4s are 20x plus 16. Now transpose the variables. 21x minus 20x equal to 16 minus 12. X is equal to 4. Ravi's present age is equal to 5 into 4, 20 years. Hema's present age is 7 into 4, 28 years. Am I clear? Okay. Now I will discuss another question. One more question. Age related problems. After that another model. Next question. A father is 7 times as old as his son. Okay. Rahul's father is 7 times as old as Rahul. As old as Rahul. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. The father was 13 times as old as Rahul. Father was 13 times as old as Rahul. What are their present ages? What are their present ages? See here, what they given here question is Rahul's father is 7 times as old as Rahul. Are they mentioned how many years ago, how many years after? No. So this is present relation only. 2 years ago, father was 13 times as old as Rahul. Again another relation they given. 2 years before, another relation given. Father was 13 times as old as Rahul. What are their present ages? Now, let us suppose Rahul's father is 7 times as old as Rahul, means father depending on Rahul's age. So, let us suppose Rahul's age is equal to X years. Rahul's age is equal to X years. Now, father's age is equal to 7 times means 7 into X. 7 times. Previous increased. Now times. 7 times. 7 into X. As well as Rahul. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Rahul's age, YRS means years here. I am not writing complete. Rahul's age is equal to x minus 2 years. 2 years ago, father's age, as per my calculation, this one, father's age will be 7x minus 2. 7x minus 2. 2 years ago, father's age is 7x minus 2. This is as per my calculation. As per their relation, 13 times. Father is 13 times Rahul. Means according to problem, father was 13 times Rahul's age 2 years ago. 13 times Rahul's age. Now simplify it. 7x minus 2 is equal to 13 into x, 13x plus into minus 13 2s are 26. Now separate them, variables and constants. 7x minus 13x is equal to minus 26 plus 2. Minus 26 plus 2. 7x minus 13x is minus 6x is equal to minus 24. Minus minus cancel. 6 1 6 4s. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Now find out the Rahul's age and father's age. Now Rahul's present. What they asked? What are their percentages only? Rahul's percentage is x, that is equal to 4 years. And father's percentage is equal to 7x. 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 years. Is it clear? Please make a note. Write down. Relations: Rahul's father, Rahul's percentage, father's percentage, 2 years ago Rahul's age, 2 years ago father's age. These are the my calculations. Now what they give a relation? This is Rahul's age is father's age is 13 times of the Rahul's age. 2 years ago relation purpose. So 7x minus 2 is equal to 13x minus 26. 7x minus 13x is equal to minus 26 plus 2. X is equal to 4. Rahul's percentage is x 4 years. Father's percentage is 7 4 28 years. Am I clear? Please note down. Next. Next question. A different question. 9 years hence. 9 years hence. A girl will be 3 times as old as 9 years ago. 9 years ago. How old is she now? Different question. 9 years, hence a girl will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? See here, they given one girl relation. The previous two members comparison we did. Only one girl age only. 9 years, hence means 9 years after. 9 years after. A girl will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. 9 years ago, whatever her age was there, than but 3 times. 9 years after, 3 times the age of 9 years before. Means they did not give percentage here. And there is no relation between present age and previous age. But without present age, we can't find out the previous age and present next year. Future age. Okay. So, let us assume that girl's present age is equal to girl's present age is equal to x years. Girl's present age is equal to x years. Okay. Now, what they given here? They given the relation between 9 years hence 9 years ago. 9 years after, 9 years before. 9 years before and 9 years after they given relation. So, 9 years ago, girl's age was x minus 9 years. 9 years ago, no? Now 9 years after, hence means after. Girl's age is equal to x plus 9, percentage plus 9. 9 years after means you have to add 9 to the percentage. 9 years ago means you have to subtract 9 from the percentage. So girl's present age was x years, I suppose. 9 years ago, girl's age was x minus 9. Now 9 years after, girl's age will be x plus 9. Now these are my calculations. Now they given the relation here. According to problem, 9 years ago, whatever the age will be, 3 times the age of 9 years after. Means 9 years after, what is there 9 years after? X plus 9. This is x plus 9. This x plus 9 is 3 times of the 9 years ago. 3 into x minus 9. 3 into x minus 9. Now x plus 9 is equal to 3 into x, 3x. Plus it minus 3 is 27. Now transpose variables and constants one side. Minus 27, minus 9. Now this is minus 2x is equal to minus 36. Minus cancel. X is equal to 36 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 18 thus. So therefore x is equal to 18. This is I got the value. Now girl's present age is equal. Therefore girl's present age is equal to x, that equal to 18 years. Whether you are correct or not, check that one. Present is 18, no? Now 9 years ago means 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 years after means 18 plus 9 is 27. 27. 18 plus 9 is 27. Now 27 is the 3 times of the 9 or not? Okay. So this is your simplification. Okay. These are the problems based on age. Problems based on age related models. In case any model, any different kinds of different types of problems if you find, please text me. If you are unable to get those one, try them. If you don't get them, text me. I will explain once again those are all. Okay, these are the age related problems I discussed. Now in next video few other model questions. Thank you. Okay, write this one. Note down these are all whatever the problems we are discussing in the videos, all you copy them in your classwork also as well as classwork other than your textual problems. Textual problems you have to solve in classwork only. Worksheet whatever will send additional one that you write in a additional worksheet notebook. Okay, so these are all classwork only. Copy it in classwork carefully without any mistakes. Still any doubts are there, please text me. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Okay, happy learning.